Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Arduino, and it is called the invisible ruler. This senses what, like this ping sensor senses, like if I put my hand here, it'll say how many feet it is. And I could tell that this is less than 3 inches or 3 inches because the LED is lighting up.
So what does ping sensor sense?
A ping sensor senses distance. So it sends out a sound that we can't hear and sends it back in microseconds. If you know a lot of bats, so you might know that bats use it.
Hello, I'm Tharma. So this Arduino thingy is called invisible ruler. It basically works like, you see this? It's called ping sensor. It sends out a message in milliseconds and in microseconds, and then the computer over there tells you how many feet away. But you see this LED? If you put your hand more than 3 inches close, it will light up. But if you put it farther, it won't. And
Okay, so how we built it. So we built it, so what you need, one ping sensor. If you have a ping sensor with 4 pins, then you need 4 jumper wires. Otherwise, 3 jumper wires. So for a 4 sensor ping sensor, and you need an LED, Arduino, and a USB cable, and a breadboard. So attach the ping sensor on the breadboard, pins rows 1, 2, and 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if you have a 4-pinned one, add 1 jumper wire across, so it'll be like one pin
Across from
Yeah.
row 2 and 3.
Yeah, from row 2 and 3, and then add 1 anywhere between those 2 lines, between like these. See these two? See these two? So add it between here or here. I put mine here. Then put 1 jumper, so here to 7, pin 7, and then put another black jumper wire
From ground
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
from the ground of the
from
sensor
the ground of the sensor
to ground of the Arduino.
to ground of the Arduino, and the red jumper wire goes from pin UCC to pin in Arduino
5 volt.
5 volt.
That's the power.
Yeah, that's the power. And the LED you could put it's optional. So put the LED from ground and pin 13. So the longer leg goes in pin 13, and the negative leg goes in pin ground.
Okay. So right now we have coded the 3-inch, right? But it can be coded to any distance.
Yeah. So here.
Show how it works 3 inches.
So how it works. So we put up code that said if something is 3 inches or less away from the ping sensor, the LED will light up. See, this I could tell is more than 3 inches. This is less than 3 inches or 3 inches. I'd say approximately this is 3 inches.
no, that's
Away
not
from
3
it.
inches. Everybody,
Approximately.
approximately not 3 inches.
Okay. So now that we have a ping sensor, what are some of the uses?
Okay, a use of the ping sensor is like if you ever go to Arizona, they have driverless cars.
Okay.
and they use it a lot in driverless cars. So they put one behind. So for example, if a car is coming behind them, and they don't want to look back in the rear view mirror just to waste time, so the ping sensor will just like see the car and it'll switch lanes, so the car could go
If
past
it's too
us.
close, the ping sensor
Yeah.
will say it's too close. Let's.
And here also, there's an automatic trash can here, as you can see. And here, if anybody gets close, it'll automatically open.
The trash can.
Yeah, the trash can.
Okay.
So here's how it works.
Everybody, I have another use that's awesome. Has anybody lost their keys and want to open their door? Well, for that you need a pink sensor, some jumper wires, and a USB cable. So first, you need pretend this is a door, and then you take the breadboard, put it here, and then put the pink sensor in it. Then take one jumper wire.
Atharva, just tell me the application. Don't tell me how it's done.
So it basically, you type in like a secret code language, and the door will smack you in the face when it opens.
Okay, thank you. Another application?
Okay, you could also use this for, so if, two uses. If somebody is sleeping, and if everybody in the house is sleeping, and somebody wants to open your door, but they don't know you're sleeping, and they ring the doorbell, but you're all in different rooms that are far away and you don't hear it. So just like put a ping sensor in front of the door, so it'll sense them if they're close, and then and then you can put two buzzers in both the rooms, and then it'll and then the buzzers will buzz, so it'll wake up somebody, and then you'll be like, and then they'll go, hey, I'm sleeping. Why do you disturb me? Or you could replace it with LEDs, or just make it, or just connect it to every light in your house. So
Okay.
yeah,
How do automated doors work?
automated doors. Oh yeah, automatic doors. So they have a ping sensor. Sometimes if you see two dots above the automatic door, so you might think they are that they're just bolts, but they're not. So they're both of these in the ping sensor. They're these two. And then, so they sense you close, and then the door automatically opens.
Cool. Do you like ping sensor?
Yep.
Right. That's a bye.
Bye, I'm the genius here. And by the way, my name's John.
Hey, I'm the genius. Never listen to him. I'm the genius.